guys, welcome to my channel Technomintra. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn about tables. What are HTML tables, or how you can present your data in your web page in the form of rows and columns. So basically for that we will be using the table tag. Over here I have opened NetBeans ID in which will be working upon the HTML document. So over here inside the body tag will be writing about the table tag. Now before beginning the table tag, I just want to tell you something about the different attributes that we'll be using. Like we can even put a border around your table, we can do the border coloring, we can have a background color, we can do the text color, we can put the width and height of your table, we can do cell spacing and cell padding, that we can put spaces between the adjacent cell or between the content and the cell, between that spacing is there. So those two concepts are known as cell spacing and cell padding. So basically over here whenever we have to create a row in a table, we have to use a tag that is known as tr, and whenever we have to define the table cell, we will be using a td tag, and to define the header cell we will be using the th. So one by one we will be learning about all of them when we will be writing the code over here. So let's start. In order to create a table, you have to use the table tag, which is opening as well as the closing tag. Okay, so over here in order to define the data, first we have to create a row, that is th tr, and then in order to define the content, define the table. For example, I want to create a table. I want to create the headings first of all, like maybe the number or the age, and so over here I am writing like you see over here numbers and even any of the websites. Okay, so these tags will be accompanied by their closing tags. Okay, so only headers, only the heading tag will close for now. So the next will be maybe I want the age. Over here it's th. So now after that we'll have to close the tr tag. Okay, so this is like that what we have done. We have created a row, and inside that we have defined the content. So now again we'll create a row. In that we'll specify for example, now I want to define the table cell. So for the table cell I want td tag. In that, for example, if I am writing 1, so this 1, it represent the number. Okay, then again td and maybe math, so slash td tr. Okay, so this is for only one cell. If you want to create more, you can even do that. So slash table. Okay, so this is the way you can do it. Now oh sorry, table tag was already there, so you need to do just this much. So now over here you can see the tr tag is opening over here, the th. So now over here let's go to our project, and now let's run it. So let's run this file. So over here you can see that the table has been created, but right now the look doesn't look like a table because we have not put the borders over here. So a number and an age with the value 1 and max has been created. Now if you want to create more, you can again do a tr tag with accompanied by the td, in which you can specify the values, and then the tr tag can be closed. and same way you can close your table. So this is a way you can work on the tables. Now even you can put borders in your table. For that, in the table tag itself, for example, if I put borders equal to maybe 2. Now let's once again just run it. Did you see? It is coming with the border 2. Same way you can even put border color. For example, over here I will use the OR. Maybe I put red. Okay, now let's once again run. So you can see the border has been colored red over here. Okay, same way you can even use over here Bgcolor. Okay, that I, for example, pink or maybe green. Okay, so now you can see the background has been colored like this. Go on to the next one. Maybe you can specify the width like 200 and height maybe 200. So now you can run and see. So the table height has increased depending on the things we have specified. Okay, so this is a way you can run your table tag and the tables inside the HTML coding. In the next video we'll be covering about the column span and row span, and maybe so thanks for viewing my channel. Please like and subscribe my video. Thanks for viewing my video. Please like and subscribe, and please share my video to other viewers also. Thanks a lot.